grabe. Hey there, Aston Guys! Welcome back to my channel and I am back sa ating pagbibigay ng reaction video. At sa ating pagbabalik, unahin na natin syempre ang performance ng na-miss nating Jamiel. Finally, dalawa na sila dito sa Your Face Sounds Familiar with the latest episode. No, and they will be singing Defying Gravity. And speaking of Jamiel, hi Tita Delia, shout out to you. Maraming salamat for accommodating me sa San Francisco when I was there last month. And yeah, that was our birthday month. So without further ado, let's watch this performance of Defying Gravity. Wala pa no? Kinikilig na yung mga tao. And si Miss Sharon. By the way, I saw Miss Sharon last Friday during Raymond Lauchenko's concert. Sa mga fans ni Miss Sharon, may videos sa aking channel.
Something has changed within me. Wow. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game.
Hi! Shout out sa inyo. Kitang-kita ko kayo. Ay, by the way, di masyadong makita nito kasi baka makabalay tayo. Yun, grabe naman si JM doon. Mas maganda na ngayon yung ano nila, no? Yung ayos. Medyo nakahawig niya na dito yung character.
Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instinct. Close my eyes and leave.
Woo! At saka yung ano, yung tingin ni yung stare ni Mariel as Ariana in character din. Ay, yung dalawa naman na yun, magaling talaga sa stage presence nila at stage acting. Galing. Para tayong nanonood ng concert na.
And you can't pull me down.
Oh yeah.
I'm fools of taking, 'cause someone says that song. Some things I cannot.
Grabe, kaano niya, ka-pace niya na talaga, tsaka yung pagmalayo lalo, yan o, pag ganyan yung kuha. Hawigan niya si Ariana doon sa movie. Napanood niyo na ba yung For Good, yung part 2? We watched it last week. Yeah. Galing. Yun. Sorry. Kita naman at nalig natin yung boses-an, no? At saka yung grabe, yung maglalakad lang si JM paharap. Iba na yung nararamdaman ng audience. Like, everybody was into it. Doon sa performance na yan, doon sa studio. Na para bang any movement nila, any action nila, na-excite yung mga tao. Ganon yung naipa-feel nila sa initial part pa lang ng performance. Kaya, grabe admiration, yung paghanga ng mga judges, yung reaction ng audience, at rinig kitang-kita natin dito sa video na to. Yun o. Di ba nag-react na naman sila? Pareho natin. Yung pag-ikot ni JM na gano'n. Ay, grabe. Grabe si Sharon na patayo pa talaga. Ayun oh. Nakikita niyo ba? Yan, basta grabe naman kasi yun. Tasik lang oh. Grabe yung JM. Ulitin pa natin. So, pwede na tumayo rito eh. Yun lang. Ano nangyari sa Fly? Di ko alam kung ilalabas ba ni JM yung ginagamit niyang tone kanina dun sa initial part dun sa bridge. No? Or sinadya niya na male voice talaga niya yung lalabas dun.
And all of us no vision that there is so much ever gonna bring.
Yan! Yun yung ano kanina sa in-expect ko doon sa Fly niya, yung ganung tone. Sharon? Grabe. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Yan no? Mga judges? Ang husay, grabe. What a comeback. Diba kasi in the previous episodes, nagkasakit niya si Mariel and then si JM lang yung lumalabas, no? Nice, nice. Naku, may chance mag-top 1 sila this episode. At sana kantayin nila to sa mga set nila. Okay? In the future, na mapapanood natin. Kasi wow! Grabe yung Defying Gravity. And soon sana yung For Good din. Masali nila. Alright, kayo naman, na-excite ba kayo? Tuwang-tuwa ba kayo? For sure! Pero let us know your comments and thoughts on this performance of Jamiel singing Defying Gravity from the movie and musical Weekend. Alright, pakicomment na sa comment section. Maraming salamat sa panood ng video na to. Like kayo, mag-iingat. Bye-bye!